guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cocksmith of www.cinquantacocksmith.com. Smile for me. I am here with our May digital product unboxing, and I'm just going to quickly go ahead and go through this video. You will notice that I don't have all of the products. It's just because these digital products have not been moving. Granted, I have not been advertising like I should, but like some of the products that I have not sold at all, I just didn't order them for May. If the products from the other months start to move, then I'll possibly start ordering them again. But yeah, this is the sticky notes and the notepad from Zazzle. May, I can't remember what I named May, but this is the May sticky notes. I actually love this color. I love the way it came out. I love this image for this month as well. And I did the grid sticky notes. I love this. I did the lines like a light brown, so that looks really good. This image is amazing. And this is the sticky notes and the sticky notepad from Zazzle. Next we have, I think I just bought the art print from Canva this time around because the postcard and the greeting card was not really selling, so I didn't order those. But this is the art print for May. She is so gorgeous, and these colors brung this image together really well. That is the art print. It's a 5x7 for May. We have the bookmarks from Vistaprint. Go ahead and get these out. Oh, they included a sticker, Stand with Ukraine. That is the back. As you can see, the colors match really well with the art print. That's the back. And here is the front. I have 5 of those bookmarks. We have this one here. We have the front, as you guys can see here. And then we have the back with the logo. That is the bookmark. And last but not least, we have the stickers. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me pull one out. You guys can see that. That is the May products. I have the stickers. I have the bookmark. I have the art print, the sticky notes, and the notepad. So you can purchase any of this on www.coinsandconnections. And I hope you guys enjoy this May digital art collection unboxing. Thanks so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.